curva di dale más relax posible.
Without further ado, Lusty Brothers, Liam Sean Kelly, here we go.
Don't you ever look back and think that I don't know you. Don't you ever look back and think that I don't like you. Well, nobody knows all the things we know, and nobody talks all the things we spoke. And we're the best you know, and we're the best you know. If I could write the best song in the world for you, I would steal God's pen, and if it wasn't true and dead, I'd read it till my eyes bled. And if you found all the happiness you wanted, my brother and friend, I wish you a life with no end. I wish you a life with no end. Don't you ever look back and realize that I was wrong. Oh, don't you ever look back and think it was for nothing. Well, nobody knows all the things we know, and nobody talks all the things we spoke. And we're the best you know, and we're the best you know. If I could write the best song in the world for you, I would steal God's pen, and if it wasn't true and dead, I read it till my eyes bled. And if you found all the happiness you wanted, my brother and friend, I wish you a life with no end. I wish you a life with no end. Don't let the thunder steal away your morning sound. Don't let the thunder steal away your morning sound. If I could write the best song in the world for you, I would steal God's pen, and if it wasn't true and dead, I read it till my eyes bled. And if you found all the happiness you wanted, my brother and friend, I wish you a life with no end. I wish you a life with no end. I wish you a life with no end. Wish you a life with no end.
That's the first song. No, this is the first song. This is just the beginning. I say that the brothers, no?
Brothers, yeah.
Inspired by?
Dada skip pa may rumang chiquito.
Pabrumang
Written for my
chiquito.
little brother.
Pero ik antiga wanneer misa, but escuché actually a performance ko full band and escuché acoustic and just a passion, a drive ko buting try jet wanneer wow.
Sim.
No, say my favorite song ko to. Say my favorite song ko to.
Dus wanneer je zei dat een song ko normalmente buta start up with of
End.
buta end ko
Let's
ne.
end it.
I
Let's
can
always
imagine that.
Over the end with it.
And how come abia aki put DCD di komisa ko ne.
Well, itong other setting. And mapeng sa just but get the hardest one out of the way. No, it was it breath control constante yung song ita algo ko sample that bother me. And kasi na final concerts me gusto siya so it keep me on my toes man. Moral I can run the best. No, wag yun ko ba yaw. Pero just I like it. It's my favorite song kung Stacey.
Well, that's one of my favorites too. to be honest.
Band, kung nata siya, I love it. Pero la kumisa asin.
It started acoustic.
Those chords na yun. That's it. It's a 2-chord song. So, okay, anybody can see it.
Hey, whatever it is, it's magic. Karabong, again, hoe je aan te weten, simplicity sometimes is just the key. En tot die ora, the most, what about I got the most exuberant, and dat is on the member the simple thing.
Yeah, no, man, most of the people come in the school, man, Bob Dylan, Bruce Springsteen, YouTube, por ejemplo, esta zona complex, pero no está. Agora para 4 bons chords, ou 3 bons chords, então melodies nang outros sounds nang the instrument that really guide this song. Então, I mean, nunca personally the music nunca me naquele ding individual mané bambisa. Boporta the best guitarist no mundo. Boporta the best bass player no mundo. Pero se song nota mané fit kunang of money basta no matter kung buong butado ng algo sempre a song ta dicta mane kiko pahas limpiabo mo sa to ka manera basta until just 3 chords until buting basta songwriting the book ito weird timbiyaha simplicity is best
Yeah.
until timbiyaha buting room pa manera a complex musicality of everything. It's sempre the fun.
Because at the end of the day, with the bahaya, other instruments and the by kind of like complement local ko buda hasin the simplicity ko ting riba guitar ko do ne manera bass and to
Yeah.
ito man base pro me but bahaya otro na bibing ko to fill it up completo
Exactly.
and it becomes something manera vooral ora buda tende keys and to drin
Pero it takes a true musician pasaki ora pa usa kwa.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, the ganho here, I'm put the guitar actually bongi. Pero ito mane mita surrounded by hopi bong musicians. And I guess ito key ora papone ng of basta key or nang gisa key ora pa use ng mas
Ng wisdom?
ng musicality really. Ito
Do you always take their advice?
not always. But I try to listen as much as I can.
Because the hobby biyaha manera hindi lang ko studio music they stick to basta whatever
So
theories na ta anto mane pa bo kibrong hindi by for the boundaries nang tuntiki difícil bosa na ta haya e clash iti ora
Those not the clash. Ito just para mim music theory da algo que me meta por banda assim algo little by little as much as I can. Shout out to Alex Bowen. Thank you for the lesson. Thank you for all the lessons, Mr. Bowen.
Neighbor.
I appreciate it. But music theory, I'm ito waki mas como un tool para communicate kiko bukia.
true
So
that
ito really ito mas mani para communicate mani usada ng bara akin sa tal ko hasi yung staccato hasi algo man pusa whatever. Ito mas easy pa just get itong language.
Yes.
Itong languages. It's
Yes.
just easier to get your message through. Kasi mi kasi kasama na what they know. Mi po at least bisa what I want ding precis imbes to go like wasa ora gitarra ba yun? Assim, ando buta ando buta ando brr, wasa ako assim, bono que zona assim, wasa
Yeah,
so
true that.
era.
But mostly, hope hindi na communicate na sino. Wasa mi kaya jinga 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 jinga. Wiyo.
Sì, no, la zona mane buta ding nubia, cosa la zona mane bada of mane ora buta bow, la zona mane buta ding camber, cosa. Però oggi tu un poco reverb. Wasa
Pone
So
echo,
simple.
si. Pone
Poco
echo.
reverb, tiki reverb, poco delay, echo. Pon un poco gain di guitarra, sabe, sono un poco.
There's something mas.
Just certain things make a communication
easier.
much easy. And so it's very happy toch wel committing in een kide kide band.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Very nice.
Kiko todo ba experience especially ba last show? So, nos na papi mas especially last show.
It was a very well received show, and I enjoyed playing it very much. Anybody could out in nos have a good time.
It was magical.
Di ba ra?
Ah, wala din lang.
Wala.
Wala.
Nosatatay.
Kung ito ito si Pabo,
Ito woof. Nosota ko.
That was
It
great.
took me back. It took me back. Basta yan ang ku. Nosota actually by Waka live bands ko to recording. Tempo mida damasyon mida by Atlanta Hopi. At ang dati yung radio station na Atlanta ko to diyan 99X. Ko to super famous pa alternative music ko rock. Anto ding dia park na mas grande na Atlanta na tatahasi sempre ng 99X Festival. Anto inata ting big bands, dus banda na grande, but for the Red Hot Chili Peppers, tour banda na ko actually pensa dia tempo i sample na ting stage time ko ting upcoming acts na ko to recording. So for me, ito the manera like taking me back to that time period and me be the manera unja so chanya pasama sa menos ko do manera.
Just so
Like-
try some?
See, yes, I'm proud to say it. Yeah.
wow. Don't worry, one day me to join you.
You want a mouse?
I'm really glad.
No, it was
Really
awesome.
glad
The whole
we
show.
wanna do
Energy, dus energy ang manera basta.
Net SM kasi dati yung energy that night, kung kere unless hindi sunog to escuchar mi tao that night, it's very hard to put into words. It was good music, no doubt, but it was more than just good music. That the full ambiente ko ba logra crea while you were on that stage, ko it's undescribable.
Yeah, no, I guess about me, really about in music, it's about going to make people feel.
Yes.
And me hero Springsteen, esamba the bisong ko Colombia. The point of a rock show is not to tell the audience anything. They're not there to be told anything. They're there to remember.
Yeah.
They're there to remember who they are at their best. And
I agree.
I think he truly accomplished that.
Me to carry that every time. Anybody to say put on me to having a crappy day of something to go wrong of whatever. Pero it's about reminding who we are at our happiest, at our not happiest, but just at our most. What's that? At our truest
With
self.
true self.
What's that? And rock and roll thing and magic. What's that like? Buporta ridiculous. Buporta. Not all about being cool. Not all about being
You can be goofy or anything.
angry
So.
or whatever. Buporta goofy. Buporta stupid. Amita say all the time. What's that? And it's just. It's a beautiful feeling. Or about hey, I did my job. What's that? Even I feel better. What's that?
Yeah.
Is it on my therapy now? What's that? Timbihan mi the papi ko on stage. Mi the papi bisa algo ko was that bother me. They say yeah, and there's also that by yung kantika. They say was that it's something between you and the people there.
It's very cathartic.
I hope it's sacred.
See.
It's sacred. Yeah, cathartic. Exactly. And yeah, it's a beautiful feeling. I mean, the glad ko is at least tiki por by the show.
No, by hoping.
The aki ko to bing. It's by the very fun. It's by the
Well,
very.
I had another question, but since ba yega na that.
What a question.
No, may question. Did you notice any changes? Qua bo audience, qua bo público, qua performances después di show?
I mean, we always get the usual suspects.
The usual suspects.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's very grateful to them.
The usual suspects.
The usual suspects. Shout out Rob Gurney. The shout out my dad. Shout out to anyone else who sempre being na Alfie's every Saturday para support. So, of course, I mean, to really, to try not to wacky faces much. So
Have more doors opened since?
more doors have opened. Basta ayer mes nasa toca na On the Rocks, kung lugar pa mina kere nunca me lo toca. So mi dado man mi dado kere man ware ko kana like un reggaeton bar pero then it turns out ko ito like ko ito mi ayer that was my favorite show ever.
Wow.
It's crazy. I mean, dado pa piano ku Alex y Arias na mi doon hey, I had fun. Man. It was really fun.
Because bus step into the unexpected basically.
Exactly.
But by create again bo energy bo the tres. So
And
that carries,
like but ba yung sapato tirando bo.
No.
Toca de Balvin.
No.
That was just for the
No,
wow.
Nada actually support Hopi bands namin.
Yeah,
Nada unde bars ko to support Hopi bands ang. Dus ita great. Ito nice venue tambe.
Pero basta mas me grow, mas sempre vou querer que o mundo tenha com ele malo. Sempre. Amento. Sempre você me tem a cynical side.
Yeah.
Você pode querer everybody that out to get you, everybody that evil, whatever. Tu nem tem algo, você não quer algo foi bom. Pero você pode meet mais gente, pode realize tu ainda jeez. Really think algo bom, the cliche. Like, hey, man, what's up, man? And just realizing that, eating my own words,
It happens.
How do
it
you
feels
taste?
good. It feels good. No,
It happens to the best of us, don't worry.
De maneira, was that to my steak aqui? Was that of my to this nice?
Force feeding you good food.
Was that? Yeah, and it's. No, I like a journey. It's very nice. Very
Alright.
nice.
So we dig into what? So we dig into an otro track from me?
I'm anxious to listen to more music.
Lee, this one's for you. Ababisame di cantiga ku the one of my favorite songs ku bascucha na concert.
5 pa sa lito base talaga ba kasi mini concert kita nun?
Claro. I got him here, yeah. Mas aprovechar aqui, but this is actually point a platform tambe para por ajuda basta artists nang up and coming tambe e foral abo ko work aqui acabo como se establish mo mesmo acaba. Me quer dizer que tem onde me vehicles não para por ajuda push good music dilante. This
Ano, promemi todo cantiga aqui anybody please escucha más David Bowie de movida.
Oh yeah, you need him.
It's like one song by David Bowie. My favorite song DJ. Yeah, my heroes.
Without further ado, Heroes.
Dedicated to Lee Cruz. I will be king, and you will be queen. Though nothing will drive them away, oh, we can beat them just for one day, and we can be heroes just for one day. You can be mean, and I'll drink all the time, 'cause we're lovers, and that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, and that is that. Though nothing will keep us together, we could steal time forever and ever, and we can be heroes just for one day. What do you say? I will be king, and you will be my queen. Though nothing will drive them away, or we can beat them just for one day, and we can be heroes just for one day. I can remember standing by the wall, and the gods, they shot above our heads, and we kissed as though nothing could fall. And the shame, that shame was on the other side. Or we could beat them forever and ever, and we can be heroes just for one day. We can be heroes we can be heroes just for one day. We can be heroes. We can be heroes just for one day. We can be heroes just for one day.
Wow, man. Magkaibiran man yung kid in the candy shop kung ano wala kiman.
Ami tambe.
Mi da encanta, e cantiga sinahobi no. E cantiga da wow.
Top 3 siguro para mim. Man. No, David Bowie para mim a very, very, very important figure in my musical career, in my musical upbringing. Quando eu escutei para mim anto vooral ik cantica sempre a dar me ela senti mané. Was ook cantica senti mané te scrivi pavo.
Exactly, see.
Mané was de cantica sempre bom.
Besides, hoe we escuta cantica superficially, no? Yeah. Just escuta maneira, okay, it has a very catchy melody and that's it. Pero hobby the focus riba local kuta e lyrics na local cantica da actually bisando bom de momento inang. Ando e cantica me da actually e lyrics na sutra ting hobby power.
Was que het bij over die Berlin Wall. Over the Berlin Wall and
oh yes.
Ela escreve uma story about two lovers, da biba den East, da biba den West, anto ela escrevia na Berlin Wall.
Imaginavo, no?
Um studio band e Berlin Wall.
Wow.
No,
ito yung impact hopi grande. Again, buta un young guy with an old soul. Mas pouco hindi di boa dad bita haya kung nanto bisa. Quando se kusaking Bruce Springsteen tames. Let alone David Bowie.
Springsteen.
Ando bane king tata bo influencer mayor de música. Vamos poner Botata, Bumama.
Mi tata.
Botata.
Mi tata adunami hopi mane push mas din alternative side di things. Das ela pushami mane wasa mane umbiamo bisa hey dad Kiko the heart-shaped box di Nirvana. Sila mane explicami full to kill himself, drug addict. The full story di Kurt Cobain pa mi ding one car ride.
Oh.
Isa yun lang, makita man.
How old were you?
People like that exist. I was
Mane-
7.
Wow.
Yeah, story de Kurt Cobain ta uno hopi apart, to be honest. Saliendo foi de town hopi chiquito na Seattle.
Aberdeen, Seattle.
Aberdeen, exactly. Actually, that the worst moments na town tatago to ko ani passa ding indies na iwa ko la para bira. Wala blow out to the point ko this inabot ang wag ko doesn't matter actually di unda buto being although hindi to bisa sempre pero país sa manera America, Canada, of sa Europa nanta mas grande so opportunities na por present mas lihe essa não é verdade. I think
Pa quote Ratatouille, no? To quote kid's movie. Agora a last words on the movie a critic, a food critic bisa. No, I don't believe that greatness can come from anyone, but greatness can come from anywhere.
Yeah.
And that's true.
That's true.
This around the world, a lot of.
It depends on the person, not the place.
exactly.
Yeah.
Ting ang sinahobi ko anto basawa ita at the end of the day a network of people around you também tá hopi importante. Então, obviously sempre você vai haya que te push mais que o outro, ou você que te maneira promises you always have.
See, but back up talking to my dad, man. The Swiss, I mean, comienzo a escuchar like other artists. See, mambay di man Kiko, I'm met to go say songwriters, whatever. Então, nang the Bruce, Bruce Springsteen pa mi Pasama without the like effect who and I look like a normal guy. You know, he looks like a
Everyday guy, yeah.
Was mi putupia in donut shop in New Jersey, you know? And ato a guy and nothing like wonderfully well basta polished voice of basta octave range or whatever.
So voice are actually not polished at all, to be honest.
Not. No, but ikaw sama ko si Jetta ma-read sa book. Pero may kumabirong like before I actually listened to Bruce, I read his books. I mean, no, I listened to him before, but I wasn't like you know. But I read his book. Until what is stories attached in the songs and all that stuff. And it doesn't name every chapter un song.
Okay.
So every chapter is a book out un song. So every time you go to chapter, me to okay, me to put on a song, and then I read.
Gives you a
me to
different
put an
perspective.
album. Me to put an album token. Me to read. There the chapter covers. Me to put it in next album. So malisa, maskucha y malisa full story together.
Wow.
And Koy, messed me up. pero it all the
essa ko na actually na maneira lokal ko elahasi diskibi e buki e bapone a chapter na kada kantinga da actually real artists nang ko diskibi na mesong kantinga nang por actually hasi which awin dia dinge common music scene mabone sila a commercial music scene. There's a handful that actually do that ainda.
Exactly.
How are you gonna tell a story di
Exactly.
cantica di bo song 5 meses write it.
Kasi Bruce a change full kung meet the right songs o full from 180 sa makira ito about nice rhymes nice ito about forming connection telling a story from what you see basta and you know Igaki su story su songs pami tamani Jesus I'm gonna write that basta like basta ita sina close to home basta it about Igaki su album Born to Run it's about guy kid di 24 anos of 23 anos who the unhappy unita I think so small town New Jersey. The album I'm Born to Run, get away, just writing about a journey about getting out. Was somewhere, was doing something else, being someone else.
Sibo por quis that one Bruce Springsteen song.
Como lo toca wo?
Ik wat is de favorite naam bij why?
Only favorite Bruce song? I know.
Too many to choose from?
Asking to pick a child.
Wait,
I mean,
what was it?
Child.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, you better stay there. Yeah.
okay. Thunder Road. Thunder Road is probably one of my favorites, DJ.
Why?
Thunder Road. I think
I'm honest something to say anything.
No,
It's,
it's one of my favorites too.
I think Peter's favorite lyric is in there, right? You ain't a beauty, but hey, you're alright.
Yeah. One of the best lyrics ever. Think about that.
Oh, and that's alright with me. No, yeah, Thunder Road. Why? Because the first time I heard that, maybe I'm escuché contigo. Sorry, me would be saying English.
Yeah.
First time I heard Thunder Road, I was in Logan. I was in Logan Airport in Boston, and I was flying back to Amsterdam, and I felt very sad because I didn't want to go. I was leaving behind my dad. I was 20? I don't remember. But I just recently moved out and you know, started living on my own and stuff. And I heard that song and I was like, I was walking and I had my mix on shuffle or whatever. And then I hear the harmonica. And then I keep walking. I'm like, oh, Springsteen. I never heard it. Yeah, I never heard this one before. And then I stopped and I listened to the words he was saying. You know, screen door slams, Mary's dress waves like a vision. She dances across the porch as the radio plays. He was painting a scene for me with his song, and I was like, Roy Orbison singing for the lonely. Hey, that's me, and I want you only. And he mentioned Roy Orbison, who I liked so much, and then I was like, and I started like getting tears in my eyes at that moment. Was I walking to my gate, and then came ooh, come take my hand, we're running out tonight to case the and I was running away. It was
It was
I
like
was on Thunder Road, and but I was in
right
an
song
airplane.
at
It
the
wasn't
right
as
time, yeah.
glamorous. I wish I had, a Ford Mustang or something that I could drive across, or whatever, or any fast car.
But it was the right song in the right moment.
It was the right
Yeah.
song at the right moment. I just said goodbye to my dad. That was the song that came up, and it's one of my favorite songs. But Born to Run probably will be played at my funeral, and
Very, 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 very long time from now.
Yeah,
Making that clear.
making that clear.
yeah, exactly 5 years. No, I'm just kidding. No, but
Let's add about 60 or 70. Yeah, that should be good.
Easily.
All
Born
right.
to Run.
Okay, this is basically Born to Run. What key die Liam Sean Kelly?
Yeah, and Born to Run, dedicated to anybody who care run away. In the day we sweated out on the streets of a runaway American dream. At night we rise to the mansions of glory in suicide machines. Sprung from cages on Highway 9, chrome wheel fuel injected and stepping out over the line. Oh baby, this town rips the bones off your back. It's a death trap, it's a suicide rap. You gotta get out while you're young, 'cause tramps like us, baby, we were born to run. Yes, girl, we were. When they let me in, I wanna be a friend. I wanna guard your dreams and visions. Please wrap your legs round these velvet rims and strap your hands across my engines. Together, Wendy, we can break this trap. We'll run till we drop. Baby, we'll never forget. Oh, will you walk with me out on the wild? 'Cause girl, I'm just as scared and lonely rider, 'cause I gotta know how it feels. I wanna know if love is wild, babe. I wanna know if love is real. Oh, can you show me? The highways jammed with broken heroes on a last chance power drive. Everybody's out on the run tonight, and there's no place left to hide. Together, Wendy, we can live with the sadness. I'll love you with all the madness in my soul. Oh, someday, girl, I don't know when we're gonna get to that place where we really wanna go. Then we'll walk in the sun. But till then, tramps like us, baby, we were born to run. Baby, we were born to run. Baby, we were born to run.
Oh gosh. Eh, si pa kami betul kung sige full concert going on
Hello,
again.
hello, my interview, just ito ka.
Man, I just love the energy, but the scene, the energy aqui dentro, anto naibisabo no. Sibo no awakli and Sean Kelly perform ainda live.
Tem oportunidade coming up.
Papi DJ um rato assim aqui, tem oportunidade coming up agora aqui. Conta-nos de evento que tu vai ter sabra agora aqui, precisamente para sobre a mim te querer, não só entra na acaba tá hobby curioso passar.
Event de
Onde você vai estar?
30?
Yes. Don't worry, tu vai ter hobby mais tarde, vai ter
Wow.
seguro na caminho, não?
Aqui como eu vou contar, nós rehearsing like crazy. Nós está well prepared para qualquer.
Conta-nos
Anyway,
onde tu vai estar.
nós temos um concert na Casa de Cultura dia 30, presented by Digicel. E está just vou poder ver que como a raia vai passar e just pouco mais e não trust me está vai ter show não lo quero miss a mim não lo quero miss
I would hope not. Different set?
I believe
Ito ba itong different set?
different set nasa pensa basta mas
Combination?
não com nobing vai passar quando par nós está repetindo par de songs, pero a original song tá queda original song.
No, kasi I don't mind the repetition. It's just general question.
No, nós portanto they add a few surprises ali. Nós
Okay.
add a few surprises ali e yeah, me looking forward to full event and yeah, honestly, nasa aqui mas pagbizo.
Bambis, ang gente acaba de tune in right now. E não escuta tudo e previews nang kuno sa dunanang. Kiko balubis ang gente asina Kiko e po verwach cha sauro.
Sabro, go rock and roll show ko hopi coração e ku hopi kung hopi energy. Bala by sweat. Mas ando se nota di adrenaline para ko sa bottom moviendo. Muito bom.
For sure.
I mean definitely tabay ta papaso da eriba. Paso say sempre ta
That's always the case, no?
Say sempre the case. Hey, lately, ayer me, macaba, me dá mano. Cardio.
Mas é cardio exercise como on. This is why começou quando ele ia jog dig.
Era algo fun. No, e ai no, it's a super good it was a super good experience for everyone. It's sponsored by Elite, sponsored by Digicel, Craft Lovers, and Alfie's in Aruba.
Conta-nos um tiki de agora pergunta com sali na cabeça agora aqui.
Treina pa lagabo.
Trein vai lagami que na hora, trein vai lagami mortalmente. Me tá um coi travo.
No.
Dia sino hobi ko to pasando do madero. See, here comes the train.
Here it comes, misa la dalbo.
Nah, pero si bota canta, canti kayo tapos so buti Yossi. Choo choo, here comes the train. Choo choo. Yeah, I listen to that song probably like 100 times a day. Yeah. So.
How to say you have a toddler at home without saying you have a toddler at home.
When escuchas on the road.
Si.
Born
Actually, he
Around,
loves
album,
music. He
album,
loves
Born Around.
all music. He really does.
Ito music bomb ka pa manera sutata.
Nice. A mí me puedo de manera slowly manipulate my music. Then it minds me little sisters. Yeah,
How's it going?
Doesn't work.
Mi te quiere bolologra kung Yossi bolologra. The other day, he was unconsolable until I played Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.
There you go.
So he really loves music.
And the tendency is the grab instruments ka ba, so nasing piano in the living room and they go jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Yeah, still Christmas, but it's okay. You know, at least he gets the idea what's going on.
So catch pa train back? Fala ba lagabo?
Ela bay lagami, pero ito bay back na Jesse on Jisaki. What did you
I was going to say kumita hay Liam Tachon underselling himself. Man, he talks about it so casually, like it's a good. It's good music. It's you have fun. It sounds like what's that? Let's just go to the beach for a bit. Home very casually.
Okay.
It's illegal for me to say.
Amit kung
something
haya
the
about
best
underselling
thing I've ever
yourself.
experienced, blah, blah, blah.
For
This
sure,
side, I
it will
don't feel
be one of the best
Right.
experiences Kubolo have musically here on the island. For sure.
Thank you.
For sure. Even Simitakere, even if rock music is not your thing, like I said earlier, ito fulong energy ko ba experience, ito ang ambiente, it's not just the music, but ito kon a scene, a energy, a vibe ko Liam to manage to create when he's on stage. Ito kon, ito pegabo, ito contagioso.
I totally agree. I mean, for me, my job is selling, right?
But that's easy to
I mean,
do.
yeah.
That's easy to do.
I think so. Sorry, my papiamento is still not very good.
He makes your job easy.
Yeah, no, he does, and he doesn't really understand that, but I don't know, maybe he does.
He's either serious.
But this is, I mean, like you said, I mean, this is not just going to be a rock show. I mean, it's an entire feeling. It's a memory. You know, you're buying a ticket to a concert, and when you leave that concert, you remember it. If it was a great show, you always remember that show.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, there's a reason why we keep our concert stubs, right?
Yep.
So, I mean, for me, that's you know, why I go to shows.
For sure. And I think even if maybe say, yeah, but you know, rock music's not my thing. I don't know these artists. But trust me, you'll get to know them and you'll fall in love.
And
no, rock and roll is just a vehicle. It'll just the feeling attached to it. It's
Exactly.
the important part. And
this is what I wanted to ask you actually. Now the train.
It took you long enough.
Here we go.
Here
Circle
comes the
back.
train.
good.
Ba kumisa haya mas hindi kumisa pedibo collaborations lang of pa manera basta hasi cierto course ng Kubo ever since the concert anto ba kumisabay mas in the public eye, to be honest, manera commercial radio to going on anto and sei da prome ia di dosta sei da outra comida quero mudar da se por mencionar também onde ainda não pode escutar música na hora que também so people that could follow of
Right now, nós estamos SoundCloud currently. E me deu partnership com Digicel da D-Music app para a video clip para Perfect Cigarettes, qual é o motivo que eu acabei de drop de mim. E putting YouTube, the always viable
Of course.
source. Nós temos hope de nos live bootleg tapes eriva and but currently I want to start focusing nos efforts about actually grabando studio album. Something who nós trying to do for a long time, pero it's difficult pa hasi something assim aqui não.
Yes.
Is on a boom. Bukep is on a boom.
Yeah.
When Bukep is on a maneira.
yeah,
cut
resources
corners.
lang the basta limited so
Basta bonok cut corners iba certo corner ando voral ko music ko sa trabajando basta energy mista garab mista gara freaking lightning in a bottle ando mista record it ando basta certo the hardest part the music I was trying to do. Pero I was trying to do it this summer. That's certo the next course of
Something
action
to look forward to.
oh yes
Anto say no soy pubudi set it down on all music platforms.
on
Awesome.
music pero may biyahe po to baita actually subiendo to the platforms naman the school
Yeah.
kung
So,
album
debut.
ito baita kung album un single to ba yung promos of
But keep it a mystery.
okay no single unbox that mystery actually
He's
so
giving the politically correct answer.
okay nasabay purba trigger algo rato siniki ting algum new song ko ting ka ba in mind ko for dance pa yung preview chikito
Paga amal sa mic, please.
If he's got something, go. I know that at the Casa de Cultura show, you might be surprising with a new song.
E find out.
All of a sudden he becomes a good marketeer. All of a sudden it comes out.
you see you see
Yeah.
smart
I
guy
take my
smart guy
lessons from Eddie Fisher.
Eddie Fisher.
Ay. Alright, ora ti chiedo sino sin chance ainda pa dal per those songs mai this is the by focus ri parti di what's going on di MS tambe pa unda pa.
Iliam ti yung giveaway.
Kasi vendo sa si giveaway ora.
But I'm still giveaway for the tickets. I want to announce a winner by 2 free
Yeah.
tickets. 2 free tickets and
2 burgers, some poutines at Alfie's, 2 craft beers from Craft Beer Lovers, Aruba,
I hope I win.
and 2 concert tickets.
I think I'm gonna add my name to that
I
list.
hope I win. Yeah, I already got a ton of messages from like, hey, could you like
Hook me up.
help me out? I'm like, it's at random.
If you give me $20, I can give you a ticket for it.
Always
I was
possible.
Like, it's at random, so I can't really. And I remember my good friend was like, could you help the random gods out? And I was like, I'll try. I'll pray.
At the random gods.
Random gods. So what are you gonna play for us next?
I think. Let me see.
The guitar. Oh, you got this.
Oh yeah,
Might be something you need.
might be.
Might be useful, yeah.
Just like. This is a song that's not recorded or anything yet. I mean, it is, but it's not done. But it's one of my favorites to play as well. This is one of my favorites to play. It's a song called Readings, and I hope you like it. This is a song we were talking about Springsteen and all that stuff. This is a song that I wrote. As like a thank you.
Alright. Here we go.
You can be a mean queen, waiting all night, talking about Elvis and the way he died. Daddy's such a bad word, wouldn't you say? Did you ever talk to Audrey yesterday? Where are the dreams people feel to see? Bright light, fatal white, carbonic sea. The rays of the sun won't shine down on us. The beat of a drum, imitation of words. I don't know if you don't know them or anyone. I'm reading books to have fun. You can be a mean queen, waiting all night, talking about Springsteen like it's just alright. Life is such a bad word, wouldn't you say? If only James Dean didn't crash that day. Where are the dreams people fail to see? Bright light, fatal white, cut next scene. Well, the rays of the sun won't shine down on us. The beat of the drum, imitation of wood. I don't know if you don't know them or anyone. I'm reading books to have fun. For the ones who had a notion deep inside that it ain't no sin to be glad you're alive. Just shoot this pain that terrifies me, 'cause it's always just a game to the audience to be. And the rays of the sun won't shine down on us. The beat of the drum, imitation of words. I don't know if you don't know them or anyone. I'm reading books to have fun. Come on, anyone. I'm reading books to have fun. Come on, anyone. Come on,
Posting this just like a hand daddy. I mean, those are the
Greetings.
yeah, man. I can hear you saying the whole day. For me, what's up? This is what it is.
Admit it, you just wanted your own little personal concert.
Do you blame me? Who can blame me? Tell me.
We'll agree to that.
Thank you very much.
No, well, yeah, manera ko. Nossa waka, but tempo to running actually pretty short. We're running actually pretty short in time right now. I think we can still do one more song before we close, but before that, this will be like an opportunity open
See.
for Amal.
Wait, giveaway?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do the giveaway, and then I just want to let people know where they can get some tickets.
Yeah,
Of course.
Of course.
Get your tickets. Prices go up. We have a press conference at Casa de Cultura Tuesday on the 26th at 2 p.m. And prices go up on the 28th. Shows on the 30th, prices go up on the 28th. So for right now, 35 florin, $20. Get yourself a ticket at Casa de Cultura box office or at Alfie's restaurant when we're open.
Of course.
Please don't go there during the day. And yeah, we do have a giveaway. We did a competition online to subscribe to Liam's and the band's YouTube, follow their Instagram, and like their Facebook page. And of all the many people that sort of applied, we had a few that ticked all 3 boxes. So we're going to go ahead and
Okay.
give away right now.
Rolling,
Liam, you give it away.
rolling,
Yeah.
rolling.
Yeah.
Put on my reading glasses.
Put on your reading glasses. I think Madeleine has the wheel. There you go.
Okay.
The Wheel of Fortune.
We have a random.
So it's
wheel.
completely random.
See, it's completely random.
So you can put it. Actually, you can put it in the camera. So
Oh, you want
We
to
ha-
spin it again?
That's
Yeah,
up
go
to
ahead.
you.
That's up to you.
Imagine if somebody won.
And then you just took away their opportunity.
Yeah.
The Grinch who stole your
God.
prize.
Well, we have 2 to give away, 2 packages to give away.
Oh.
So go ahead.
Oh, okay. Sorry, person. Okay, so it's spinning. See, it's
Okay,
spinning.
it's spinning.
It's spinning. There are different names, different number ng Itakay Riba. Alexander Dick.
All right, winner number 1.
Winner
Winner
number one.
number 1.
Winner number 1, Alexander Dick.
Alexander Dick, you won your prize.
Alexander Dick. You won your prize. Can I say that on air?
Alexander
Why?
Dick, promega na
It's
doon.
his
He
name.
gave away at the
Like that. Nah, anyway, bagana. Next one.
The second one.
See?
Drrr.
Random.
Would be
Random
funny
wheel
if
to
you
dry.
said
Waki ginanta wabo live tambe ko bubuhak live di
slide
www.coloruba.com. Bata waka hasta king to the number ko to besali. Yala to pretibol besali
Yeah,
sa
me quero ver também ko.
Poetic Justice. Era kabigana do.
See, so it really was meant to
There
be.
you go.
So Marcela Rua.
Marcela Rua. Apagana dos via. El nombre kasali mo ito.
Waki ito
See, it was meant to be,
Okay,
meant to be.
Justice.
All right, we'll put that up on the
Marcelo
Facebook
Rua.
page and Instagram, and
Bagana.
cool.
How can they claim their prize?
They can claim it at Alfie's. I'll put it all up on the social media.
Yeah.
So I'll put it all up, and I'll reach out to them and come get your prize, get your food, get your tickets, get your beer.
You've,
I mean, you've got the
you
best
have
combo.
it set for Saturday. You're
Is that
set.
right?
Yeah.
Right?
Wat bij BB craft bier dat er just sabra.
Claro.
See?
See?
Mm. She has a fun story from the last time.
Uh-huh. One that I'm not telling on air.
Mm. No,
He's just trying to get his revenge in, but that's
love
not
it.
happening.
no, not really. We
I
were
love
super
it.
happy.
Yeah?
But there's still we've got to figure out which one it is.
See. There was one that we liked the most, but we don't remember which
At
one
the
it
show?
was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we only had a few beers, which
Yeah.
this year again we'll have craft beer lovers there, so we're gonna have a selection of craft beers from them and some wine and maybe some pizza. I don't know. We might get crazy and order some pizza.
Yum, yum,
Ah,
yum.
that's good. Yummy,
Yeah.
yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, exactly. And just quickly, we're gonna after the show, we'll be releasing all of Liam's original songs on the D Music app
Awesome.
Wow.
stream
okay.
them
You can stream
within maybe a week or 10 days. Don't hold me to that date, please.
them. No, we won't hold you to that day.
Okay,
Don't worry.
cool.
Don't worry.
Alright,
Won't hold
cool.
you. So in that sense, Liam, amit talaga may kumbiyamas sa bripa po promego budal nos kay last song actually.
Alright.
Pabo invite everybody to hindi pa bay wabo ja sabra wariki get that place packed.
Okay, just invite everybody.
Everyone.
The
Why
mic
not?
is open. Do what you do
Alright.
best.
Anyway, tú eres presente por escuchando vos, mi nombre es Liam Sean Kelly. Me quero invitar cordialmente para ir na Casa de Cultura dia 30 de abril. Setor Portanto Habri. Nós vai ter opening act Alumina e nós grupo de wonderful young people in music abo. E I'm gonna young no, No, pero me quero just invitar a gente, se você passa bom tempo, se você have nice wonderful experience, a nice rock and roll night. Check for ticket. Get your tickets. Because another running
Get your
out
tickets.
soon.
Lee's not excited.
And dankie for toerhande for supporting us. Farewell. Thank you.
Always, man. The music is amazing. You're an amazing guy.
What
Amal is
up, Abo?
amazing.
Yeah, thank you
You're
very
amazing.
much.
You guys
Very
are
welcome.
amazing.
It's easy to support good music.
Of course, and good people.
Iko sa akin, ang nosta sign off di biya, sabay laga po sa ko Liam su last song. Manera sempre un placer pa tayo ko po sa tour de sabra di Jasunor pa unor y zuizo nos lo topa po sa otros de sabra na radio, pero también anoche na Casa Cultura pa sila nos enjoy an awesome show.
Así no miss. Have a great evening, everybody. Have a great evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, you know
I mean,
why? But so
tiempo
what?
sera, pero
I mean,
ni pa
it
tanto.
looks like it's raining, so
cloudy,
yeah,
yeah.
it kind of messed up with my head. I'm sorry.
Enjoy the
Have a
rainy
good
day.
morning. Si buta bay hasi bukas limpi baila ke pali basura of mo pa ora ki. Pero sa bela gabo ko the last song. Qual ito ba Liam?
Pensa bom. Me queda algo comiendo escuchar ba radio. É song que chama True Love Will Find You in the End, de Daniel Johnston.
Oh yeah, here we go. Nice. Hey, tutu placer. Ciao
Manera sempre.
guys.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
True love will find you in the end. You'll find out just who's your friend. Don't be sad, I know you will. But don't give up until true love will find you in the end. This is a promise with a catch. 'Cause only if you're looking will it find you. 'Cause true love is searching too. How will it find you unless you step out into the light, the light? Don't be sad, I know you will. And don't give up until true love will find you in the end. Thank you.